Okay, the question number 16. So the question is a car manufacturing factory has two plants X and Y. So this is the factory and it has two plants X and Y. And then the plant X manufactures 70%. So we can write 70% as 0.7, and plant Y manufactures 30%. So we can write it as 0.3. And the rated of standard quality of plant X is 80%. So the standard rated is zero point 0.8, and not standard is 0.2%. And for plant Y, the standard is zero point 0.9 and not standard is zero point 0.1. So and the egg we can take is the question saying a car is picked up at a random and is found to be of standard quality. So is the car should be of standard quality, and B as the car should be from plant X. So we have to find P of B by A, which is P of B intersection A, and divided by P of A. So the P of B intersection A is this one. This one is P of B intersection A, and so it is zero point 0.8 into zero point 0.7 divided by, and B A is saying it should be of standard quality. So this is of standard quality and this is of standard quality. So we can add. So this is 2 point, sorry, 5.6 divided by 5.6 plus 2.7, which is 5.6 by 8, oh, 8.3, which is 56 by 83. Understand? No. It asking that the car should be of standard quality and it is from plant X. X, yeah, yeah, 0.3, yeah, 30%. Okay. It's X is making 90% and 10%. It will increase this 90. Yeah. Standard quality. Mm. Oh, like it became 90% and this one 10%. So like here this will be 0.9. point 0.9, point 0.9 this one, and here will be also point 0.9, and here will be point 0.1. Yeah. Mm. uh, point 0.8 into point 0.7, that's 72 by 81. uh, this one. Mm, this one is this one.